Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. We are excited to have you here. Our channel is dedicated to providing you with the best study tools and resources to help you ace your exams. Let us get started with this act compels businesses to display the prices of all goods and services. A. Consumer Protection Act of 2008, Act 68 of 2008. B. National Credit Act, NCA, of 2005, Act 34 of 2005. C. Compensation for Occupational Injuries and Diseases Amendment Act, COIDA, of 1997, Act 61 of 1997. D. Skills Development Act, of 1998, Act 97 of 1998. The correct answer is A. Smooth Milkshakes implemented the diversification strategy when they added fruit shakes to their existing menu. A. Vertical. B. Horizontal. C. Concentric. D. Conglomerate. The correct answer is C. Zuco Transport operates in the sector, as they specialize in delivery services. A. Secondary. B. Primary. C. Economic. D. Tertiary. The correct answer is D. Angela Construction facilitates the training of its employees on a regular basis. This is an example of as a total quality management element. A. Continuous skills development. B. Adequate financing and capacity. C. Monitoring and evaluation of quality processes. D. Continuous improvement to processes and systems. The correct answer is A. This function is responsible for the release of positive press statements in order to boost the image of the business. A. Purchasing. B. Public relations. C. Marketing. D. General management. The correct answer is B. The role of is to draw up skills development plans for their specific economic sector. The correct answer is
CITOs.
Businesses that offer goods on credit are required to register with the correct answer is National Credit Regulator. Parkview Consultants compiled a analysis to investigate the reasons for poor management in the business. The correct answer is SWOT. ODWA is entitled to as a compulsory benefit. The correct answer is the Unemployment Insurance Fund. The production manager works closely with a manager in order to buy the correct quality of raw materials. The correct answer is purchasing. Choose a description from column B that matches a term in column A. Market penetration. The correct match is E. Businesses focus on selling existing products to existing. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.